Hey, in today's video, I'm going to challenge you a little bit. We're going to draw a hand that's flat, but the challenge is going to come in the thumb. It's going to be foreshortened just a bit, but it's a good stretch for you. You could do this. I believe in you. My name's Kurt. I'm a Daddy Draws. Come on, let's get to work.
So the first thing is we start with a gesture. Arm, palm, fingers, thumb. So there's my gesture. Next thing I want to do then is go into my palm now. Let's take a look at the palm. What's going on? There's the entry point there. I'm coming around here. Okay. All right. There is like the middle. It's kind of coming down like that. You see that? All right, let's get to tips. All right, there's my pinky. There's my ring finger. There's my middle finger, which maybe some of you are ready to give that to me for this hand drawing today. Yeah, and then you have the pointer right there. And of course, I'm going to put in my thumb here. Just the tip of it, so I have an idea. Okay. I'm going to start off with my the pointer back here, and I kind of got my knuckle here. Come in here, knuckle, and then of course, like I said before, all of our joints are on the back side of our hand, where the inside it has the soft pads and everything like that. So let's bring in this pointer finger like this. Back side is straight. There's the location, I think, of my first pad here. And remember, we're going to try and draw this with like a J hook. Like a J. Okay. All right, let's get our next pad in place. I got to show you this. This will really take it to a new level.
Whoa, hey, time out for one quick second. Put your coffee down, drop your pencils, jump down there, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know if you want to see some videos on maybe feet, how to draw feet and shoes. Just mention it down in the comments, okay? What type of shoe you would like to draw. All right, let's get back to work.
I want to focus on this spot right there. I'll take this pad. This is going to be right here. Okay, that's that pad right there. And if I do this, I could do that of the second pad, but if I do this instead, if I come up here just a little bit further up, you see that small detail says that second pad is slightly behind, and it gives a really incredible sense of depth, okay? And it's something to look for when you're doing the finger. So in this case, now watch how that comes into play here. I'm a bit short on these, so I'm going to make them a little bit longer before I get to that. So let's see. We're going to All right, then I'm going to get my next one there. Okay, that's better. All right, so let me show you what I'm going to do here. So here on this, I'm going to bring it back just a little bit. You see? All right, that gives it some nice thickness there. All right, so we're coming like this. So where's the next? Next one is going to start there. And I want to get that next pad, and it's going to be right about there, okay? And that has a nice round feel to it. All right, then we're going to come there. Wow, did I blow it? So the location of my tips looks like I'm really blew it in the proportion there. So you know how we roll, you just adjust, right? All right, let's keep going here. We got our second one over here. All right, and that comes out much lower here. Look at that. We're always adjusting. And then my last one here. All right, there's that relationship. Wow, look at that. Wow. I'm looking at my sketch versus that photo, and I can think, oh my goodness, am I off on this? But that's okay, because we just adjust, and that's exactly what I'm in the middle of doing right now. I'm going to adjust my palm to fix where I've erred.
You know, one of the best things that you could do in order to improve is to draw a little bit every day.
I've got this great membership class called the Daily Draw.
We get together every day for about 30 minutes. I go live in the afternoon, and we cover all things that have to do with drawing. If you stuck with this for 3 months, I guarantee you're going to be far more confident in your drawing. Link is in the description. Check it out. All right, let's get back to work.
All right, let's get to this thumb now. And this time, let's get this right configuration here. This time I'm going to actually start with the thumbnail, believe it or not, and build the tip around that. So make sure your thumbnail is curved. It's going to go straight back here, and then it curves around. There's the base. And then this has a J hook. Okay. Concave. Joint. Concave. And that brings me around to the back side of the pad there. and then the front side. Okay, as you can see, my arm is different, so I need to make the adjustment there as well. And it's coming around a little bit below there, so it's like a straight here. And then the bottom side of my arm starts almost way down here. And I got to get that back side of my hand here. Now I'm going to add some tone. One, don't do a gradation, just keep it one even value. Just like that. And then where that shadow comes in contact with the white part there, I'm just going to darken the edge here slightly. Okay, and that should about do it for today's hand here. This was a hard one, but like anything else, to just repeat, the more you familiar yourself with the object itself, the better you'll get at it. Try to break it down from a construction standpoint. Do that on your own. And I always say when you're drawing anything that has like a three-dimensional quality about it, this is when it's time to really trust what you see and not what you think. Listen, my name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. Thanks for watching. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.
A dad who draws. Hey, you made it to the end. Excellent. Hey, if you're looking for another video on drawing hands, check out this one right here. Or check out this one right here.